And hey guys, and welcome. If you guys aren't sure where we are right now, we're over at Port Orleans French Quarters, and you can see Morgan's wasting no time getting into the Jackson Square. Now this is their general store slash gift shop over here at the Port Orleans. And remember, anytime you guys go to the Port Orleans, there's two different sides. There's the French Quarters, which is all based around Mardi Gras, and then there's the Riverside. And you're gonna know that by the big old mill out back with the water wheel attached to it. But this here is a unique store. You guys are gonna come in here and you're gonna see items that are only gonna be located in this here resort. Now, occasionally you see one or two different items, but this one here, you're only going to get the stuff from this resort, and a lot of them are pretty much the same way, but this one's got a lot more inventory just of the French Quarters. I find, like, if you go into like the Riverside, you'll have one item that seems to be based on the Riverside. Here you might find 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts that are all Port Orleans French Quarters, and I find that to be the case every time you guys come over here. Now, as you guys see, all around the top of this store has got all the Mardi Gras theming, and then around the outside it's pretty much the same as everything else. You've got your magic bands, you've got, since it's a general store, you've got your foods, your beverages, stuff like that. And it's also, once again, the shirts, you've got the hats, you've got your kitchen items, you've got your mugs. As you guys can see right now, it's all themed out for Halloween, so you've got all the Halloween goodies out there. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, we do recommend you subscribe right now. Keep your eyes peeled, guys. We're going to be doing a giveaway on that Stormtrooper hat, authentic Walt Disney World hat. So be one of the first 5,000 to subscribe to get your opportunity to win that hat, guys. You don't want to miss out on something like that. And you see all the baseball hats here. You've got the stuffed toys and stuff like that. But this here, this is actually a fun little store. It's not very big. It's long more than it is wide, but it's a fun store just to come and walk around and check out. You can see a lot of the other stores are really big. Items are all over the place. We just got doing the Wilderness Lodge one, the Mercantile, and that is an awesome store to go in. And this one here, I would say, once again, is another awesome store. There's a look at one of their shirts right there. And over here, you're gonna find most of the Princess and the Frog stuff. So if you guys like the Princess and the Frog, you will find it here. Now there's your Mickey Mouse items. There are more Halloween stuff as we're getting ready to exit the store, but just remember, guys, the Jackson Square located over at the Port Orleans French Quarters. This is the Mardi Gras one, if you're not familiar with it. And this here is their general store slash gift shop. And once again, look at the countrybeartour.com website. If you guys can't find what you're looking for on YouTube, go to the countrybeartours.com. It's going to take you to all of our videos. Now we post the stores, the arcades, the resorts, we'll do the pools, we'll do the restaurants. So make sure you guys are checking out that website, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed, guys. See you later.
Hello.